Closing market comments for Wednesday, July the 29th. Markets continue to move lower today on selling pressure out of the funds. We continue to see lack of selling or buying by foreign countries that were not getting export sales the last 2 days, zero announcements. And the funds continue, as they say, to sell. They're based off of the report that came out on Monday night with a 3% increase in both the crop condition of corn and soybeans compared to the previous week. Wheat was a little stronger on the day, closing up 9 cents. We continue to see some demand for coming in for wheat and talk of China buying wheat. We'll have to see if that can materialize or not. Might want to strongly look at contracting some new crop wheat for next year. Closing bid tonight was at $5.17. Weekly oil inventories were released today with crude oil at 525.9 million barrels, down 10.7 million from the previous week, and up 89.4 from last year. Gasoline stocks were 247.4 million. That's up 700,000 over last week and 16.7 million above last year. Distillate stocks were 178.4. That's up from 177.9 last week and 135.9 last year. Refinery capacity was run at 79.5%. That's up 1.6%. but still below last year at 93%. Ethanol production increased this week after a drop last week. We did see ethanol production up 50,000 barrels a day at 958,000, but still 73,000 behind last year at this time of 1,031,000. Ethanol stocks jumped for the first time in several weeks at 20.27 million. That's up 471,000 over last week and 4.196 million below last year. We continue to see ethanol demand hold up fairly well, considering the gasoline prices and the COVID situation going on in the country. Outside markets, we saw gold higher again, the dollar weaker again, which should lend some support to these grains, but just hasn't. The stock markets were higher across the board with Dow, NASDAQ, and S&P all higher on the day. Tomorrow we'll have the weekly export sales numbers. Hopefully we'll see some positive numbers that can give this market a little boost. Have a good evening. Thanks for watching.